आइए चलो आलिया हाँ भाई हाँ महाराज हमारी साथ ने बताई दे तो कैमरा में आ भाई दैट्स मी
I can see. 우쩌죠. 아, 어디 가노? 간. I don't know.
नहीं ये तो लगी नहीं तू हाँ हाँ अरे तीजा में रहे तू तीजा में आना माटे तो आया ये तीजा में रहे तीजा में बी ब्रेव
जाते हैं ऊपर आ जाते
जो आऊ ऊपर है जरा ऐसे बस आ बची गई ने तो क्या कसूर थी अरे भाई ये तो है नो बे आटला मोटा डंडा ठीक અને અહીંયા જ ફોટો લેશે આપણો થર્ડમાં બેસ છે મૈત્રી થર્ડમાં બેસ થર્ડમાં જય શ્રી રામ ઓય
Take your time.
I will follow your steps.
वाटर चीज में और स्लिप हो रहा है
उसका स्टेप भूल देखना रह जाता Can I go in the boat?
Yeah, you're ready. Did you give me that white paddle? Thanks. That's tough. awesome. बैठ गया आगे जाके किसको बैठना है आगे
Together on this, right? We're not
Okay.
going to lose our cool.
Okay.
We're going to be together, cool and calm. All right. Welcome to the Yuba River. Welcome to Maytag. Don't start paddling. Did I say anything?
Sorry.
All right. Left side, forward 2. Stop. Who's on the left? Not you, huh? All right, let's go left side, forward 2. Everybody, forward 2.
बोलो प्रभु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय.
Yeah. 2. Forward 2. 1. 2. Forward 2. 1. 2. 2. Forward 2. 1. 2. Forward 3. 1. 2. 3. Forward 2. 1. Get left. Get left. Not your feet. Get him. Get him. Grab his shoulder strap. Got him. Grab his shoulder strap. Hit him in the fucking ball. Grab him. Pull him in.
What do you mean? Are you okay?
Now get ready to paddle. Get ready to paddle. Forward 2. 1. 2. Forward 2. 1. Paddle forward. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Yeah, boy. Don't stop.
You are fine.
Adhiraj, are you okay?
कौन है तेरे से तो
That was a scary
Oh,
shot.
yeah. How you doing, bud?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Okay, okay.
I'm good. I got you. Water.
तो मैंने पकड़ो
आत्मा आई की मारा
मिस्टर अधिराज अरे आगे तो देखो यार
All right, hey, that was badass, guys. Hey, but we got us now that we made it. We got to watch out for folks behind us and help them out.
Okay.
So if someone's swimming, we're going to cut out and catch them and probably try to get across the river.
Okay.
Just be ready for that.
Okay.
I'm just going to try to move the boat around a little
Okay.
bit.
Okay. સૌથી ડેન્જરસ માં કોને પથ્થર આવ્યો ને
हाँ ये अरे मैं
માથું ભટકાયું
તમારું
તમારું ટેન્શન આ ગયા હું તો આખો આખો જતો રહ્યો હા પથ્થર આવ્યા છે
बट मैं अग्रोध
આ બચી ગયા અને અધીરાને તો માથામાં મારી
Feel how bad
Yeah,
the
we-
boat was getting. Yeah, nice job getting over. That was a great job.
we were always almost about to flip but these guys come left help
Perfect, yeah.
I got his this one
Okay, I'll handle it in a second.
you want your paddle hey આમને પકડ હું આને છોડી આઈગો તને
તને વાગે?
Are you strong? Anybody strong? Y'all too. Who's stronger?
oh me
Yeah, put your paddle up. Put it up right now. Just let go. All right, now put your feet out. Stick your feet out right here.
oh, we both can do so it will be easy for you
No, don't worry.
Okay.
Don't,
Okay.
I just need you to hold it and lean back.
Okay.
Lean back. You ready? All right.
oh भाई
All right, this is a special paddle, okay?
विशाल ध्यान राख भाई तू
પકડવામાં મને પેલું શું થયું
રોક વાગ્યું
All right.
રોક તો વાગ્યો અને
Thank you so much.
શું કહેવાય
You can hop in.
પકડવામાં હાથમાં રાખો
And yeah, hey, we can enjoy the show. We're gonna watch some boats. People might fall out.
how many are there like this
There's one more left. One big one.
like this
Yeah. It's called Sun and
Which
Make
one?
Time.
Adira,
Right around the
Vishal,
corner.
Vishal.
So down there, guys.
વિશાલ તો
hey,
કરશે
listen
હું બી
up.
આવું છું એમ
Listen up.
પાછા ચાલ
We're gonna go down there. It's gonna be some sharp turns. One of those turns, we might even do a 360. It'll be real slow. We'll turn around and then we'll drop down the slide. Okay?
ઓકે
Going down there if they fall out. Here.
so So they're gonna come now.
We're gonna let those two boats try first. And if they're on something else, then we're gonna jump in. So we're gonna sit till last.
Okay.
Feel free to get water, stretch your legs out, but I'd keep glancing up there because we're gonna see people coming through.
I think they are ready.
लेफ्ट में जाना था और जाना था आपको और मैं आपको पकड़ा भी सही लेकिन आप छूट गए इतना स्लिपरी था ये आई थिंक ये हाथ में ही नहीं में जाना था गोदी में आना था
तो मैं सबको वही तो बता रहा हूँ किस
उसने बोला ना कि
किस लेफ्ट
तब मुझे आप दिखे ये मैं got a couple rocks yeah there's rock right on top of me. Are your hands okay? Your knuckles? Cool. All right. Yeah, hey, kick ass, guys. That was nice. I get so nervous for that one. You never know. For all of these big ones. You wake up, you just don't know if we're going to flip or not. This was actually class 5. Class 5, yeah. The actual class 5. Well, so guys, it's also based off of dangers. So even if it's a chill rapid, it might be dangerous to fall out there. Yeah. So it's hard to tell. This is a good mix of some kind of scary, kind of big. Yeah. But if we would have fallen out and kept swimming, I would have started praying, you know.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wait.
So some of
swim right there on the
some of these rocks are undercut, and if you swim, you're going down and under, and you're not coming out.
Oh really?
That's class 5. Class 5. This is all based off of consequence.
You're not coming up, but the water is coming up, right?
No, the water forces you down there. We're dodging some dangers out here, making it through these rapids. When you sign up for class 5. You're signing your right away to sue if you die. Your family can't sue us. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. So we're riding the line. We're having fun. But if you fall out, it's scary. So hey, we might get to be the heroes for those guys. So like class 1 and 2, swimming those, even if they're big waves, swimming 1 and 2. I think they got it.
They got it, yeah. Just the first bump is dangerous. Woo! They got it pretty cool, man.
Pretty cool. They put their nose up on that rock.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Nice.
Good job. Awesome. That's awesome.
जैसे ही फ्लिप हुआ ना, ये मेरे बाजू नहीं आए. He was just trying to come.
The board was one side down.
बोट पूरा उस साइड था.
Board was upside down, so it was like.
तो मतलब आप ऐसे.
Here they come.
All right, a couple seconds, we'll see. Just taking our photos up on the rock.
Here they come.
મારું બી બેલેન્સ હતું રીતમાં હું બી માડ બચ્યું
પહેલા ભરાયેલો હતો એટલે it was all fine. Yeah, they made it.
They flip. No,
they didn't.
Oh, guys, this never happens.
Again that rock. Yeah, they are good.
they made it good, man.
Coming away, we're gonna make sure all these boats are good, and we'll start sending it. Okay. That's an epic day, guys. At least 1 or 2 boats people will flip. This never happens.
Wow.
This is the cleanest trip I've ever done out here.
Yeah, but we were still so scared when he fell.
Oh yeah, that was.
He was
scary.
almost went.
મારા દિમાગમાં ચાલતું હતું.
Nice job.
જોબ વાળી શું
અરે આ તો ક્યાં પહોંચી ગયા
કે વાગી જાય તો અરે ભાઈ સ્પેસ ઇન્જરી ભાઈ તને ખબર નથી એનું માથું અથડાયું હતું ત્યાં પેલા ક્લિપ ઉપર હું જોતો તો એકદમ મારી આંખોના હાથમાંથી છટકી ગયો હે એટલે વધારે મને ડર લાગ્યો
મેં નીચે ચલા
મારા તું વિચાર તમારે કોઈનું ધ્યાન નતું હું જોતો તો એને મારા હાથમાંથી છટકી ગયો હે એટલે તો મારા હાથમાં વાગ્યું કહું છું મારા હાથમાંથી છટકી એટલે મને બીક લાગી બધા વાગે નહીં તો સારું જાય આ કોઈની સામે થતું હતું ને એટલે થોડીક બીક લાગી
તો પેડલ માટે રેડી. Right side forward 2. And right side. So left side right side. Lag do.
Okay.
I'm left. अरे यार क्या बोल रहा है यार?
ના હું તો પહેલેથી લેફ્ટ જ છું પણ આ તો
તમે સેન્ડ કરો ભાઈ તમે સિંક કરજો. Forward 1.
હા હું એને જોઉં છું. ચાલ મિનિટ માર.
Okay.
Forward 2. 1 on. 2. Forward 1. See how those deep boats cutting across? We're going to do the same thing behind that rock, okay? Forward 2. 1 on. Forward 3. 1 on. 2. 3. Forward 2. 1 on.
Hi guys.
Forward 1. Forward 1. Forward 1. Okay, look behind us. This is our last class 5. Outside of Maytag.
Awesome.
We're going to go through
Pedal 5.
rocks, alright? Hey, if you fall out, just hold on to the raft, okay?
Me, pujo.
Everybody.
Hey, hello, Garba.
मैत्री क्या पेपर साइन कराया तो हमें खबर चले.
We're gonna do a big turn like an S. We might slow down and spin around. That's okay.
That's okay.
Who's on the left? Who's on the right? All right. We'll be good. Wow, dude, that never happened. Dude, that
विशाल
was beautiful.
ओ विशाल तेरी गान ब्लू पर रहा.
You are sitting very wrong. Actually, ये एक गांड इधर एक गांड
नाइस छोड़िया परफेक्ट છે.
Ready to paddle,
पूछी जो
okay?
एक गांड नहीं है एक गांड नहीं
हाँ.
हाँ
Remember that yet?
पूछ
नहीं मैं હું પાછા બે વાર પૂછી દીધું લા
मतलब ब्लू पर બેસી ને તો પેડલ કરતા આપણે તારા હાથમાં કોઈ ઇન્જરી ના હોય.
So looking down, see how the river cuts back far left, we can't even see it. We'll go that way and then we'll come around to the guy in the white helmet, we'll go back far right. Okay, if you fall out, try to just hold on to the raft. Don't worry about the paddle, stay close to the boat. Okay?
Is that the sun meeting?
Yeah, right there.
પેડલ મારવાનું કે પેડલ મારજે જો આ પેડલ ના
પેડલ નું એવું કે છે જો ફ્લિપ થવાનું ટેન્શન આવે તો પેડલ ને છોડ દેજો.
Back 2. Back 3.
પેલા આગળ જવાનું પછી પાછળ જવાનું હા પાછળ કોઈ આગળ જ નહીં જતું બધા પાછળ જાય છે પેલા આગળ જઈને પાછળ જવાનું છે.
All right, hey, here's Danny. You guys ready? Remember spacing. I'm going to go slow. Yep. All right, right side.
We're going to go down this little drop here. And then I'm going to turn the boat so I'm facing downstream and your guys are upstream. We're going to go forward into the current, okay? And then we're going to do the screaming right, left.
You can see the S. See the water cuts left and back right. One more. We'll drop that.
ચલો બી રેડી.
લેફ્ટ
Got your feet up. Just going to paddle high 5 right here. Go.
you are right you are right I am left
Forward 1. Right side, forward 1. Forward 2. 1. 2. Forward 2. 1. 2. Right side. Forward 2. 1. 2. Forward 1. 1. Forward 1. 1. Forward 2. 1. 2. Forward 2. 1. 2. Left side forward 2. 1. 2. Everybody forward 3. 1. 2. Forward 3. Paddle hard. Hard. 1. 2. 3. Right side forward. Left side back. Right side back. Up.
Can anybody take me? Okay. Yeah.
Hey, come over here and walk around.
Dude, can you take this?
Hold on to that rock.
I can't hold much longer.
You're okay. Grab this rope. Come to me.
You grab it, okay?
Hold it, hold it.
Don't lose it.
I'm not. You don't lose it.
I don't. I'm
Look at
ready.
me. Good job. You okay?
I'm okay, but my specs are not okay, but it's
That's
okay.
okay. You got one eye. Walk with me. Let go of this.
Okay.
Right here. Hey, let them know I got two and a guide. Up here.